Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrops and everything you need to know in the crypto space. So today I'll be doing a video, and in this video I'll be telling you guys how you can look for shit coins that have not been posted on big exchange platforms. Big exchange platforms like Binance and some other platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So most times when people are looking for shitcoin, one of the places they quickly go to, that people run to get shitcoins, are usually coinmarketcap.com. If they go to coinmarketcap, you just put coinmarketcap.com/new in their browser, and if they are not using their browser, they are using app, they check the latest coins that have been updated for them to see the new shit coins that are available where they can invest their money in and make fast profit. Basically, shit coins are coins that have little or no value in the crypto market, but these coins are used to quickly make instant profit through a scheme called the pump and dump scheme. This pump and dump scheme is where people invest money in a new coin or a new token. Then when the token begins to gain attention and a lot of people are investing in that token, they remove their money and they pick profits, and people that come late to invest end up losing money on this project. So if you open coinmarketcap.com/new, I will show you some examples of some coins that are shit coins. For example, this Doge raising is an example of a shitcoin. As you can see in this place, this coin, the value of this coin is less than $1. In fact, it's not up to 1 cent. It is just worth some pennies. Now if you scroll down again, you will see another coin again that is also a shitcoin, this massa 4. Many of these coins like this are usually shit coins, and people use these coins to actually make fast money. This lucky lion is a shit coin, and these coins were posted on CoinMarketCap 23 hours ago, 22 hours ago, 18 hours ago. This was posted 3 hours ago. I don't think this is a shit coin. This parabolic, I don't know if this parabolic is actually a shit coin. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. I don't know, but most times a coin that is a meme coin or a coin of an animal, a coin that has a very funny and a weird name, are usually shit coins, and most of these shit coins are worth less than $1 at the time that they are posted. In fact, if a shit coin is worth $1, that means a lot of people have made massive amount of money from that shit coin. So another place where people, and a lot of shit coins are posted every day. There are over 5,000 plus shit coins, more than that this year alone. So if we want to check for shit coin again, another platform, a big exchange platform or a Bitcoin platform we can check shitcoin from is CoinGecko.com. Now if you come to CoinGecko.com, there's a place where you can easily check shitcoin. If you come to CoinGecko.com and you look for meme coins under coins, coin categories, recently added, yeah, you can check recently added. From recently added, you will see a lot of shit coins too. These are coins that have just been recently added, and this lucky lion was also recently added on coingecko.com. Most of the coins that are showing here are coins that are also on coinmarketcap.com. This bulldog swap most likely is a shit coin. um K K I don't think this K wallet is a shit coin, but most times all these coins that are coins of animals are usually shit coins. Another place you can find shit coin on coingecko.com is, there's a place they show meme coin. Let me search for categories. I think under categories, if you can get that place that they show meme coin, there you're going to see shit coins. Now when we see these shit coins, one thing we will now do is, I'm going to show you where you can get all these new shit coins even before they are listed on CoinGecko and PancakeSwap. Do you understand? Because these coins have been available, and if you are just investing in these coins when they've just been listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, that means you are kind of late to the party, because people that have invested when the coin was had little or no value they've taken their profit, and you are just coming to join the party when the party is almost over. So two things will happen: is either the party will end where you come, or you just need to stay a little while and pick a little profit. A lot of people have lost a lot of money while they came late to invest in a shitcoin. Just like the way shitcoin can give you massive profit, that is the way you can take massive loss. Now if you look at this is a meme token. Most of these meme tokens are shit tokens, and these shit tokens are the ones that give you instant large number of profit very early. For example, as at now, Dogecoin is a shitcoin, but so Dogecoin is a shitcoin that is gaining a lot of value, followed by Shiba Inu. That is why a lot of people are owning these shitcoins. But these shitcoins normally, when they came to the market, were just for instant profit, pump and dump scheme. Now, if you look at this place, all the coins here you are seeing here, Yoshi, Oj Finance, Com Rocket, Dodge Mass, Samoya this, Cake Monster, Bamano, you can see most of these coins are less than a dollar. Some of them are few cents, some of them don't even have any worth. Now look at this one, Kianu Inu has like just 97. I don't know if 97 is not up to a penny, I don't think so. But these are shit coins basically that are in this place. So for you to invest in a shit coin, you need to invest in a shit coin very very early. And one place you can find a shit coin to invest in that have not been posted on big platform, new shit coins that have come out where you can easily find these coins, you can come to coinhunt.com. When you come to this website, I mean coinhunt.cc, coinhunt.cc, on coinhunt.cc you are going to see shitcoins that have not been listed, the ones that have not even been launched, and the ones that are just being launched, and you will be able to know these coins and begin to think of how you can invest. For example, look at this coin discovery, COD, pre-sale, launching today. This particular coin is launching today. This one is launching today. Poker Syndicate, PSYP, is launching today. Another one, up game token, launch in 2 days. You can see. So all these coins, you see them. The ones, this one launch 1 month, promote this, and these coins that are showed on this home page are the ones that have been promoted. Now if you want to know these coins as they are coming out and you can begin to keep tabs on this coin, one thing you can do is you now begin to check. If you come to this coin hunt, if you scroll down, this is today. Now this is the last 1 hour ago. Now let's check yesterday. You will see that yesterday their coins, look at this part of yesterday, you see launched today. This particular project was launched today. Any pay, this Shuba Doge was launched 5 days ago. Baby Des launched 1 day ago. Up game token launched 2 days ago. Majority of these coins are launched within the last 7 days, and most of these coins are not listed on CoinMarketCap and even CoinGecko. We could take this, let's take this any pay, and let's go and search for it on CoinGecko, so that I'll show you that this coin has been launched, people have started investing in it, but it's not even listed on this platform. So let me quickly search for any pay, right guys, so that we can actually confirm these things for ourselves. Now search any pay token, search. You will not see any result on this coin. Any pay token, yeah, I'm searching for it. So there's basically nothing, because if there was something about this thing, as I wrote any pay, you would have seen that any pay would come out below, but there's actually nothing about this coin on this platform. Now let me check coin market cap and search for any pay. I'm sure those coins would have not been, this is any pad, but any pay, no results found anyway. So these coins are new coins that might take a while. It could take a month, it will take some few weeks to be listed on CoinMarketCap. So by that way, a lot of people might have invested in this. Okay, this one is launching today. Let's look for a one that have launched some days ago. Tesla coin, right? Let's use this Tesla coin, or this coin that even has a little amount of money, Aqua Solar Mining. If it is on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko, Aqua Solar Mining, you can see this coin is not even here. It does not exist here. It's not here. Let's go to the other one, CoinMarketCap, Aqua Solar Mining. They are usually not here immediately, and people have started investing in this coin. So most times when people now join when these coins have been listed on CoinMarketCap, because CoinMarketCap is a bigger exchange platform, so it comes to this place, people will quickly rush and want to put their money. Once they put their money, by then the coin might have been coming down. Look at it, Aqua Solar Mining. Boom. You can see here it's showing no results found, and that is it. So guys, if you want to quickly know shitcoins you can check, and if you quickly want to know shitcoins that have been updated, come to this website coinhunt.cc. you get information. Now if you want to know if a shitcoin will be a good project or a bad project, I'm going to do another video explaining how you can know that. I'll be doing video from time to time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn my bell post notification on. Currently we have 786 subscribers. I know with you guys support I can hit 1000 subscribers, and please make sure you take your time to watch our video. We have a lot of quality content you have created in the past. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now, where I give you another interesting content. Okay, bye.